Today we are going to be learning about the respiratory system. The respiratory system is a set of organs that allow a person to breathe and exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body. An example of the respiratory system is the human nasal passage, larynx, trachea, bronchi tubes, and the lungs. The air starts by going into the nasal cavity, moves into the pharynx, then the larynx, down into the trachea, and ends in the bronchi tubes, which are located in your lungs. The nasal cavity is a hollow space within the nose and skull that is lined with hair and mucous membrane. The function of the nasal cavity is to warm, moisturize, and filter air that enters the body before it reaches the lungs. The pharynx is divided into three regions: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngopharynx. At the end of the laryngopharynx is the epiglottis. It is a flap of elastic cartilage that acts as a switch between the trachea and the esophagus before the pharynx, because the pharynx is also used to swallow food. The larynx is a tough, flexible segment of the respiratory tract, connecting the pharynx and the trachea in the neck, allowing the air to pass through it while keeping food and drink from blocking the airway. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a wide, hollow tube that connects the larynx and the bronchi of the lungs. It is an important part of the body's airway. It has the vital function of providing air flow to and from the lungs for respiration. The main function of the bronchi tubes is to carry airflow to the trachea into the lungs. The human lungs are a pair of large, spongy organs optimized for gas exchange between our blood and the air. Our bodies require oxygen in order to survive. The lungs provide us with that vital oxygen while removing carbon dioxide before it can reach hazardous levels.